All right. Everybody has a piece of Joey.
Yes.
Okay. Ekbemelo, bottoms up. Eat away. These Americans, Joey.
Spicy. Really spicy.
Oh my God.
Delicious.
Delicious.
I love that cake that comes at the end.
Oh my God, my tongue is burning.
Yeah, what's the
It is
spice,
spicy. This
Mary?
is poison.
She got a big chunk.
I said
We're gonna have a long
bottoms
night
up.
tonight. Someone's gonna be going to the bathroom.
What? In a foreign country, they have spices.
Many more than here.
There are foreign countries?
Did you have a hand in this?
No.
She seems to love it. She's eating it away. How soft it is.
It tastes like halva,
It does.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
but it only has hot pepper in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, hot rub and hot pepper.
All right. So we like Joey.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
That is